Hello, hello, hello. Happy Wednesday. Tomorrow's Thursday. Almost through another week. Um, Tonight I made me some chili right here. I used grass-fed, 100% grass-fed beef. It was 1 pound. I used about 1 3/4 cup of beef broth. I chopped up some shallots and red peppers. What else did I use? A little sugar. I bought the chili. You can make your own chili seasoning, but I bought the packet and I still season it up some more. But I bought the chili packet. I used Himalayan sea salt to season it up some more, my adobo, and a little sugar in it. 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. I think it's a 15-ounce can of tomato sauce. What else did I use? Diced tomatoes, fire roasted diced tomatoes. I said tomato sauce, tomato paste, 2 tablespoons. Yeah, and about a cup and almost 2 cups of beef broth. I didn't have to add any water to it, so I heated it up because I didn't eat right away. I'm just eating now. I had a protein smoothie with 1 banana and my Irish sea moss and my protein powder. And now I'm just eating. I don't know how much this is. This is maybe like a 1.5 cups of chili. Oh, and I put in here low sodium red kidney beans, and then a big dollop of whipped cream and some 4 cheese Mexican cheese is in here. And then I have this piece of bread. I normally don't eat a lot of bread. I don't eat any bread, but this is pretty good. So, and this is made at Sprouts. It comes in a big round thing. And so this was part that was already cut, I guess, that my kids didn't eat. And then I have my water. Yesterday I had a cheat meal. I had some Popeye's chicken. It was just okay. I had me a large Sprite extra ice, an apple pie, and some McDonald's French fries I shared with my son. And I don't know what I ate Monday. I want to say between Sunday and Tuesday, I really wasn't that hungry, so I really didn't eat like I was supposed to eat. I didn't get in my calories and ate like 1 meal and a snack. So I'm trying to get back to myself. But this is what I got for dinner Wednesday. And I had a protein smoothie with 1 banana. Again, to break my fast. So y'all be safe out there. Stay your butts in the house unless you gotta go to the grocery store or the doctor. And until next time, peace. Hello, hello, hello. Happy Thursday. We are 1 day from the weekend behind us. I'm just breaking my fast. I've been out all day. I had a doctor's appointment. So I got some Greek food. I have a chicken shawarma, pita, and then a Greek salad. And then you get a drink with your combo. And so I got the Dasani sparkling water with I think it was raspberry peach, and it was pretty good. It doesn't have any aspartame, which artificial sweeteners, which you want to kind of stay away from. You do want to stay away from, especially when you fasting, because they're still sweeteners. It's just artificial, and that stuff ain't no good for you no way. But it was pretty good. And I think in the Dasani I read there was no artificial sweeteners in it, no calories. So normally when you look at the label, it'll say artificial sweetener, aspartame, or whatever it is, and you can taste it as well, which I don't like the taste. That's why I don't buy anything that say diet or whatever. But I haven't tasted this bubbly yet. Let me taste it. This is peach. It's not bad. It's actually good. This is the peach bubbly. It's my first time. Though sometimes with these natural flavors, it's something that they hiding behind, but they don't have to say what it is. But as you can see, it just says water, carbonated water and natural flavor. So there's no artificial sweetener in this. And the natural flavor would be the peach flavor and whatever else they hide behind. So normally I just drink regular water. So this will be mostly something that I have with my dinner that I've already broken my fast with. But as you can see, there's no calories in this and it's no sugar. So I would think the sugar would, the taste that you would taste, natural flavor, is the flavoring that they put to give it the peach, lemon, whatever it is, taste to it. But it's in the Dasani is not really strong, but it is decent tasting. It's not nasty. And this bubbly is the same. It's kind of like you could taste the peach going down, if that makes any sense. But it is a strong sparkling water. Or you could just get unflavored, which I don't like unflavored seltzer water. I don't like seltzer water. So yeah, this is what I'm breaking my fast with. So y'all be safe again. Stay in the house unless you gotta go out for groceries or the doctor. And till next time, peace. Hey, happy Monday, everybody. I hope everybody is staying safe and healthy and well. I am just breaking my fast, so I'm kind of eating an orange and eating my dinner. These are 2 small lobsters I cut up and kind of sauteed in some butter, a tablespoon, and I got 2 stuff-filled mushrooms, and then a cup of broccoli right here. So I only ate 1 meal yesterday. Wasn't really that hungry. Just my whole day was just like screwed up, a circus, you know. But I didn't work out today. I didn't even do my measurements. I did weigh myself. I'll probably measure myself tomorrow. I just don't feel like being bothered today. But this is my first meal. And I have my water. I've been drinking water little by little all day. So they're getting stricter and stricter with these lockdowns. And my kids have now lost the rest of their school year. My 2 sons, my middle son and my youngest, were both graduating. You know, my middle son was graduating from high school, and my youngest was moving up to 9th grade, graduating from middle school. And now that has been snatched from them because the mayor here canceled school for all of the whole state where we are. And so they're just doing online. My oldest son, they've been canceled. Well, not been, like, I think this is like his 2nd week home. But I think it's been about 3 weeks since they shut the school down. And been doing online. So he's finishing up his online. So all of those college graduates out there, all that money that they paid, the parents paid, they paid the student loans, the family, you know, may have been their first in their family to graduate from college, is just like ruined. Some people may think it's just a paper, you know, but when you work hard and bust your tail and you got them student loans to pay back and your parents got part of them loans to pay back and your family just want to see you cross that stage, and, you know, it's a big accomplishment, and then that's just snatched from you because of countries and their stupidity. You know, it's just sad, you know. So you got to make the best of it. And that's what we're going to do in our family. You know, the celebration won't stop just because they, you know, we won't see them, you know, walk across the stage or whatever. We're still going to celebrate ourselves as a family. Hopefully we can get out the house. Maybe a restaurant will be open, but if not, we'll be the restaurant. and cooking, you know, cooking them meals, the special meals that, you know, the boys want. So, yeah, that's about that. So I'm going to eat my food and get with y'all next time. Peace.